Imagine standing on a planet that suddenly feels unfamiliar. The sky is no longer blue, the sun is barely visible behind a thick curtain of dust and smoke. For years, the light that once powered forests, oceans, and entire ecosystems struggles to reach the ground. This is Earth around 66 million years ago, just after one of the most devastating events in the history of life. A massive asteroid, nearly the size of a city, slammed into the region we now call the Yucatan Peninsula. It struck the planet at incredible speed, releasing energy far beyond anything humanity has ever produced. In a single moment, the surface of Earth was reshaped. Mountains of rock were vaporized, shockwaves raced across continents. Forests that had stood for millions of years ignited into global firestorms. But the real destruction came afterward. Trillions of tons of dust and sulfur were thrown high into the atmosphere, forming a thick global veil. Sunlight faded, temperatures collapsed. What scientists now call an impact winter covered the planet for years. For the creatures that ruled the Earth during the age of dinosaurs, this sudden darkness was catastrophic. Plants could no longer perform photosynthesis. Entire forests withered away. In the oceans, microscopic plankton, the base of the marine food chain, began to disappear. Without plants, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, predators followed. Within a relatively short span of geological time, nearly 75% of all species on Earth vanished. The giant dinosaurs, once the undisputed rulers of land, sea, and sky, were gone. But extinction does not mean the end of life. It means the beginning of something new. In the quiet world that followed the catastrophe, survival favored creatures that were small, flexible, and able to endure long periods without food. Tiny mammals hid underground, feeding on insects, seeds, and whatever scraps remained in a dying ecosystem. Birds, the surviving descendants of small feathered dinosaurs, adapted quickly to the changing skies. Crocodiles and turtles survived, thanks to their slow metabolism and ability to go months without eating. While the giants disappeared, these overlooked survivors quietly endured. And over millions of years, Earth slowly began to heal. Forests returned, rivers carved new paths, ecosystems slowly rebuilt themselves from the ground up. But the new world was very different from the one that existed before the asteroid struck. Without dinosaurs dominating the land, other creatures began expanding into the empty ecological roles they left behind. Mammals, once small and mostly nocturnal, began evolving into larger and more diverse forms. In the warm forests of the Paleocene and Eocene, one of the most astonishing predators ever discovered appeared, Titanoboa. This enormous snake could grow over 12 meters long and weigh more than a small car. It lived in a planet that was much hotter than today, where dense tropical forests stretched across huge parts of the globe. Titanoboa did not rely on venom or speed. Its power came from sheer size. It could overpower prey with crushing coils, strong enough to subdue animals as large as crocodiles. In another corner of the world, giant flightless predators known as terror birds took control of the land. Standing up to 3 meters tall, they hunted with massive hooked beaks and powerful legs capable of chasing down prey across open terrain. These creatures became the new rulers of ecosystems that had once belonged to dinosaurs. For millions of years, evolution experimented with size once again. In the Ice Age periods that followed, enormous mammals began to dominate the land. Mammoths roamed across vast frozen grasslands, their thick fur and massive tusks helping them survive harsh climates. Giant ground sloths towered over forests in South America, capable of standing upright like living fortresses. Armored giants like glyptodonts carried shells so thick They resembled moving tanks. And in the oceans, the ultimate predator of the prehistoric seas appeared, Megalodon. This enormous shark may have reached lengths of up to 20 meters. Its jaws carried teeth the size of a human hand, capable of crushing the bones of whales with terrifying force. For a time, Earth once again became a planet of giants. But evolution rarely stops experimenting. Alongside these enormous animals, another type of creature was quietly developing a very different survival strategy. Instead of massive bodies or powerful claws, it relied on something far more unusual: intelligence. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, early human ancestors began appearing in Africa. They were small, fragile, and poorly equipped compared to the predators surrounding them. They lacked sharp teeth, powerful muscles, or natural weapons. Many early hominins likely survived by scavenging leftovers from larger predators or gathering plants and fruits. But something important was changing. Their brains were slowly becoming larger. This allowed them to remember locations, learn from experience, and eventually create tools from stone. Simple stone flakes became the first technology, not to dominate nature, but simply to survive it. Then later, one discovery changed everything: fire. Controlled fire provided warmth, protection from predators, and a way to cook food, unlocking more energy from plants and meat. For the first time, a species was no longer completely limited by its biological abilities. Humans could adapt using knowledge, and knowledge could spread through communication. Language allowed information to travel beyond a single individual. One generation could teach the next. Over time, this ability transformed small groups of fragile primates into one of the most adaptable species Earth had ever produced. But it is important to understand something about our story. Humanity did not emerge on a peaceful planet. We evolved in a world shaped by constant change, shifting climates, new predators, and ecosystems repeatedly pushed to their limits. Even long after the dinosaurs disappeared, Earth remained unstable. Temperatures rose and fell dramatically over millions of years. Ice ages covered vast regions with glaciers, then retreated again. Mountains rose as tectonic plates collided. New deserts formed. Oceans shifted. Life never stopped adapting. When we look back at the extinction of the dinosaurs, it might seem like a clear turning point in Earth's history, but in reality, it was only one chapter in a much longer story. The asteroid impact reset the biological world, wiping out dominant species and opening the door for new evolutionary experiments. Some of those experiments produced giants like Mammoths and Megalodon. Others produced something far more unusual, a species that survived not by strength or size, but by cooperation, memory, and learning. Humans are not the strongest animals that ever lived. We are simply one of the most adaptable, and the world that shaped us was anything but gentle. It was a planet that had already survived firestorms, global darkness, mass extinction, and millions of years of relentless environmental change. Earth has always been a place where survival depends on one simple rule: adapt or disappear. And if the history of our planet teaches us anything, it is this: life does not stop after catastrophe. It begins again, in new forms, under new rules, on a world that never stops changing. Before you go, if you enjoy exploring the deep history of our planet and the mysteries of life after extinction, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because the story of Earth is far from over, and the next chapter may be even more surprising than the last.